Hey friends, I just want to unbox Potomac Beads March Treasure Edition box. I'm sorry, I think I did it in my live, but I didn't do a separate video. So here's Rizzo beads, whole mix of them. Look at all the, I don't know if you can see the fun colors, but there's a bunch of fun colors. Get more light here. Aren't they fun? Next, we have Miyuki seed beads in dark topaz. So pretty. These very pretty drop pearls. These fun disc duos. It's Lila Vega Luster. How pretty are those? So pretty. Iris Duo beads in copper. So pretty. Ooh, look at these copper ball pins. So pretty. Copper's a pretty metal color. Trying to get my camera to focus. Not wanting to. Gold champagne crystal rounds. Very pretty. And it was called Marbled Minerals was the name of this box. We have, oh, look at these mermaid beads. Alright, as I mentioned, look at these mermaid glass beads. Oh my goodness. I think this is that what I used? I did make something from this box. I think that's what I had used. Got two volleys here. Ooh, look at those. Wow. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. Some check swirl drop beads. How beautiful, right? Some check glass leaf beads. Got Miyuki transparent topaz. So slightly different than these other ones. Ooh, look at these bugles. Wow, very pretty. Very pretty. Look at those bugles. These are gem duos. Maybe I didn't make something from this. I thought I had though, but maybe not. Look at how fun are these. Kind of different colors. Some stretch string. A really pretty connector. Toggle. An antique brass. Ooh, look at these. Peridot gold splash barrel beads. Ooh, it's gorgeous. Look at that. And that's it, folks. Very fun. Very fun. Thank you. All right, stay tuned for a design on the fly.